Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Sakil. Today I am trying to give you some verb phrases for SSLC exam 2025 and for ADRE 2024 SSC. So here we go. First one is by fits and starts. অনিয়মিতভাবে if you work by fits and starts you cannot prosper. तो परीक्षा में ये आसामीस में लिखना नहीं चाहिए for SSLC candidates. I want to aware you about this. किसी भी एग्ज़ाम में मीनिंग लिखना नहीं चाहिए, बस एक मैक सेंटेंस की तरह है, तो मैक सेंटेंस यूजिंग द वर्ब फ्रेजेस. बाय नो मीन्स एकेबारेই নহয়. आसाम इज बाय नो मीन्स ए पोर स्टेट. फर गुड চিৰকাললৈ. হি লেফট দি কাণ্ট্ৰি ফৰ গুড. ব্ৰিং আপ লালন পালন কৰা. দি চিলড্ৰেন ৱেৰ ব্ৰট আপ উইথ গ্ৰেট কেয়াৰ. সেট আউট ঘোষণা কৰা. মাই ফ্ৰেণ্ড সেট আউট ফৰ আমেৰিকা. ডিল ইন ব্যৱসায় কৰা. হি ডিলছ ইন টি হেণ্ড অভাৰ হস্তান্তৰ কৰা. হি হেণ্ডেড দি বল অভাৰ টু মি. কল অন মিনতি কৰা. শ্বি কল্ড অন মি এট হাৰ অফিচ. 9 লুক ফৰ সন্ধান কৰা. হি ইজ লুকিং ফৰ এ জব. গিভ আৱে বিতৰণ কৰা. দি হেডমাষ্টাৰ গেভ আৱে দি প্ৰাইজেছ টু দি ষ্টুডেণ্টছ. মেক আউট. আই কেন নট মেক আউট হোৱাট ইউ সে. In no time, শীঘ্রে. You will return in no time. Take over. The vice principal will take over the search from the principal as well as. He as well as his friends has come. Come round. He was seriously ill, but he has now come round. No sooner than. Loge loge. No sooner had the teacher entered the classroom than the boys stood up. Fall out. বিবাদ করা. Do not fall out with your friends. Again, make out. I cannot make out what you say. It's repeated. Neither nor. কোনোটোৱেই নহয়. He can neither sing nor dance. Run over. গাড়ীৰ চেপাত পৰা. The boy was run over by a motor car. At times. At times he talks wisely. As soon as Keimatro, we shall start as soon as the rain stops. Pass away. Morizua, the old man passed away last night. Set up. Sthapon kora. The villagers set up a school in the village. None but, nai kintu, none but Ramu has come. In black and white, likhito bhabe. Put your statement in black and white. Get rid of. He got rid of all his evil friends. Turn up. Gota. Please wait and see what turns up next. Stand by. Homarton kora. All the sons stood by their father. Break out. Hotat avirbhav hua. Cholera broke out the village in an pandemic form. Take down. লিখা. প্লিজ টেক ডাউন হোৱাট আই এম সেইং. লুক ইনটু. তদন্ত কৰা. আই হোপ ইউ উইল লুক ইনটু দি মেটাৰ. লুক আফটাৰ. যতন লোৱা. শ্বি হেড টু লুক আফটাৰ হাৰ অল্ড পেৰেণ্টছ. এট এ লছ. কনফিউজড. হি ৱাজ এট এ লষ্ট টু ডিচাইড হোৱাট টু ডু. ছ' ফাৰ এজ. যিমান দূৰ. ছ' ফাৰ এজ আই ন' হি কেম টু দি মিটিং. Keep back. গোপনীয়তা ৰক্ষা কৰা. The woman failed to keep back her tears, sorrow. Take to one's bed. অসুস্থতা ইত্যাদিৰ কাৰণে শয্যা গ্ৰহণ কৰা. The old man fell ill and take to his bed on account of. ভাবে the school remain closed on account of floods. Look down upon, ঘৃণা করা, do not look down upon the poor. Take heart, দৃঢ় আস্থা রাখা, one should take heart in misfortune. See off, বিদায় জনোৱা, many people come to see off their leader. Get off, অবতরণ করা, ladies should get off first. Get off, যাত্রা করা, I got off by the 2:30 train. Set up, স্থাপন করা, the villagers set up a school in the village. Run over, call on, make up, these are repeated. Call in, please call in a doctor. মাতি পটুয়া. Take over, to accept responsibility, গতাই দিয়া বা দায়িত্ব দিয়া. When he retired, his son took over the business. Look into, তদন্ত করা, I shall look into the matter and then decide. Fall out, বিবাদ করা, the two men fell out over a matter of boundary wall. Send for, মাতি পটুয়া. Send for a doctor immediately, the patient is serious. Get through, সমাপ্তি, hard work enabled him to get through the test. Tell upon, বেয়া প্ৰভাৱ পেলোৱা. If you work very hard, it may tell upon your health. Turn up, উপস্থিত হোৱা, the guest turn up in the time. Put up, উপস্থাপন কৰা, they have put up a tent. Break down, স্বাস্থ্যৰ অৱনতি ঘটা, his health broke down under pressure of work. Sit for, পৰীক্ষা দিয়া, I shall sit for the next examination. Come about, how did it come about that Rajiv had to lose an eye? Give up, ত্যাগ কৰা, give up your bad habits. Black sheep, শয়তান বা বংশৰ কলংক, there are many black sheep in every society. Nook and corner, চুকে কোণে, I searched every nook and corner for the missing book. Of late, recently, অলপতে, of late, Rajiv has become an actor. With a view to, with the hope, আশাৰে, Sabita came here with a view to getting my approval. To look after, যতন ল'বলৈ, I have to look after my old parents. Null and void, বাতিল কৰা, the Supreme Court declared the rule null and void. By dint of, গুণত, Pranjal stood first in the examination by dint of hard labor. With flying colors, Bijoy Dhoja Uruai. The Spain football team returned home with flying colors after the Euro Cup 2012. All in all, Khorbe Khorba, Julius Caesar was all in Rome. Call off, প্রত্যাহার করা, the strike was called off, the workers called off the strike. At large, স্বাধীনভাবে, freely, the culprit is still at large, the dacoits are still at large. In order to, উদ্দেশ্যে, he went to the market in order to buy some mangoes. Now and then, মাজে সময়ে, the man comes to our house now and then. Give up your bad habits. At home in দক্ষ বা সুদক্ষ, he is at home in English. On behalf of, পক্ষে, in support of, I will come on behalf of my uncle. In cold blood, ভাবি চিন্তি, the king was killed in cold blood. Macbeth killed Donson in cold blood. Pass away, মৃত্যু হোৱা বা মৰি যোৱা, his father passed away a month ago. Heart and soul, মনে প্ৰাণে, students should learn their lessons heart and soul. Take off, যাত্ৰা কৰা, the plane took off from Guwahati at 5 o'clock. Take off, খুলি পেলোৱা, the take off your shoes before enter the temple. Call in, মাথি পঠিওৱা, please call in a doctor. All over with the whole area, it was all over with him. Bolt from the moon, Bina Begum Vajrapat, the news of his mother's state came to him like a blot from the blue. Die in harness, কাৰ্য কৰি থকা অৱস্থাত মৰা, he died in harness. Fight shy of, এৰি চলা, one should not fight shy of his neighbors. Get into, fall in, পতিত হোৱা, he got into trouble, head or tail mathamundo eku nobuja. The audience failed to make head or tail of what the actor said. I cannot understand head or tail of it. Ins and out in details সকলোখিনি. He knows the ins and outs of the attempt of theft. Out of date, old fashion, অতীতৰ. Nobody likes out of date fashions. Look up, বিচাৰ কৰা. Please look up the word in a dictionary. On the contrary, he hates me. On the contrary, like him. In spite of poverty, he is honest. Call off, প্ৰত্যাহাৰ কৰা. The strike was called off, set off. যাত্ৰা কৰা. My brother set off for Delhi today. Put off, স্থগিত কৰা. The bus put off to let me get down. Put off, খুলি পেলোৱা. Put off your shirt. Breakdown, হঠাৎ আবিৰ্ভাৱ হোৱা. Malaria has broken out in Assam. In regard to, সম্পৰ্কে, you have nothing to say in regard to your plan. Turn down, reject কৰা বা প্ৰত্যাখ্যান কৰা. I turned down his proposal. Put up with, সহ্য কৰা. I cannot put up with such an insult. Put out, নুমুৱা. Put out the fire immediately. So here we have discussed 100 phrasal verbs that comes often in matriculation exams and other competitive exam. So thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for further update.